How to remove your bio on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your bio on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then just click these three lines in top corner and then click on your profile here and stop, and here we'll find edit, this one, click on it, uh, click edit, and here we'll find bio. All you need to do is just click on bio and delete it, delete everything here, and then just you can just click space and click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.